Sorry for the language, sir.
Sorry for the language. So you are admitting that you don't have a knowledge about the language. You can speak whatever you want. So you mean that the court should not say anything or should not raise any doubt about your integrity. Are you above the law? You have so much of arrogance on you. This is what my personal impression is. Not finding. हो गया सर. अब आप लोगों को तो लगा है कि सर आईपीएस होके डायरेक्ट हो गए हैं, तो वो हम तो आम जनता के सेवक तो है ही नहीं है ना. वो तो खैर आप लोगों का एटीट्यूड है, रखिए रहिए, हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
I'm sorry, sir, for that.
For what sorry, sir? Now, Mr. SP, come forward. Please read out your first affidavit. And don't forget that just now the word grievance has been used. Is it your first posting?
No, sir.
Not first posting.
As SP, sir, it is.
I know you are SP.
Sir.
I can find it out from the stars.
Sir, second posting as SP.
Second posting, right, sir. कितना टर्म हो गया आपका एज एन एसपी सर?
Sir, I was posted in Jhabua before for
For how many days?
17 months, sir.
17 months. So this is the 18th or 19th month as SP.
Yes, sir, 18th. Sir.
18th month. तो 1.5 साल हो गया है आपको. So you must be aware of the legal provisions, right? You must be aware of the language which is to be used. You must be aware of the fact that some words may indicate the arrogance on the part of the deponent. Just don't forget that just now it has been held that the grievance is that the closure report was not filed. Right? Now that grievance has been attributed to the court. Right? That means you have an arrogance of saying that I have a guts to object to your conduct. Why you are saying no?
I'm sorry.
What is the meaning of grievance? If the court had put a question to you, you had pointed out that the sanction was granted, but we were sitting over that closure report for the last 5 years. So you mean that the court should not say anything or should not raise any doubt about your integrity. Are you above the law? This is what you want to communicate. Don't say no. Apart from the documents and your conduct.
Sorry for the language, sir.
Sorry for the language. So you are admitting that you don't have a knowledge about the language. You can speak whatever you want. Now please come to the affidavit. The affidavit which was filed yesterday. Now I will request you to keep the word grievance in mind. This affidavit was signed by you. You must have gone through it. You must have dictated it. Right? Please come to paragraph 3. Please read it out, sir.
That in the aforesaid note, it has been indicated that the then Superintendent of Police, Chhatarpur, has permitted for the filing of Khatma report in crime number 14 by 2019 on 14/9/2019.
Right, sir. Then, sir, paragraph 4.
Sir, that on the aforesaid pretext.
What is the meaning of pretext? And don't forget the word grievance, which has been used today. You have so much arrogance in you. You have so much of arrogance on you. This is what my personal impression is. Not finding that for your actions, how can I raise a doubt or how can I raise a question? What is the meaning of pretext? Please point it out, sir. I am very weak in language, sir. I may be wrong. What is the meaning of pretext?
I'm sorry, sir, for that.
For what, sorry, sir? In the affidavit, you are saying that since this SP had granted sanction to file closure report sometime in 19, and it is still lying in the police station, therefore on that pretext I have issued the order to file affidavit. Is it not the arrogance of the Superintendent of Police?
It was not meant, sir. I'm sorry.
Pardon, sir?
I'm sorry, sir,
For what?
for the language.
For the language. And what about the today's statement that the grievance is? Whose grievance is, sir? Whether he is appearing for the complainant or he is appearing for the accused? Whether he has come for the direction to file the charge sheet or closure report or he has come for quashment of the proceedings? At least he is not having any grievance with regard to non-filing of the closure report. This is the height of the arrogance.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. So what is the meaning of final report, sir? So you don't know even the meaning of final report. Why you are not replying, sir? I am just trying to find out the legal knowledge of the Superintendent of Police, who is using the word grievance and pretext.
सॉरी सर।
नहीं नहीं तो अरे हो गया सर। अब आप लोगों को तो लगा है कि सर आईपीएस होके डायरेक्ट हो गए हैं, तो वो हम तो आम जनता के सेवक तो है ही नहीं है ना। वो तो खैर आप लोगों का एटीट्यूड है, रखिए रहिए, हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है। वी आर नॉट कंसर्न अबाउट योर एटीट्यूड। नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज, आई जस्ट वांट टू टेस्ट योर लीगल नॉलेज। अगर आप नॉलेजेबल आदमी हैं उसके बाद एरोगेंट हैं तो ठीक, अच्छी बात है। सोचने के लिए, समझने के लिए कुछ तो है आपके पास।
सर आई एम सॉरी सर।
नहीं नहीं, फॉर डोंट से सॉरी। चैप्टर ओवर, दैट चैप्टर इज ओवर। द चैप्टर ऑफ एरोगेंस इज ओवर सर। हमको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि सुपरिंटेंडेंट जो हमारे सामने सीना तान के खड़ा है कि सर झुका के खड़ा है।
It was not meant like that.
Forget about that. That chapter is over, sir. I'm saying again and again. Please accept that chapter is over. It may crop up at a later stage. I won't give you guarantee that it will not pop up at a later stage. First of all, tell me under which provisions of law the investigation is done by the police. बताइए sir. At least you are holding the post of superintendent of police for the last more than 1.5 years. And before joining on the post of superintendent of police, you must have spent a considerable time in the police stations, right? And before that, you must have undergone some training. तो बताइएगा सर, अंडर विच प्रोविजन ऑफ लॉ द इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज डन बाय द पुलिस? नहीं मालूम आपको? सीधा बोलिए नहीं मालूम। व्हाई शुड आई वेट? पता है तो बता दीजिए, नहीं पता है तो बोल दीजिए नहीं पता है। 1.5 साल से आप एसपी हैं, आपको कानून नहीं पता। इज इट नॉट अ शॉकिंग एस्पेक्ट सर? अब आप बताइए, 5 साल से आपके पुलिस वाले बैठे हुए हैं, आप कहते हैं ऑन दैट प्रिटेक्स्ट आई हैव बीन आस्क्ड टू फाइल द एफिडेविट। आप कहते हैं दैट इज द ग्रीवेंस ऑफ द कोर्ट।
सॉरी सर, आई एम सॉरी।
सॉरी सर, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सॉरी सर? इसका मतलब ये है आपने एडमिट कर लिया है कि आपका आईओ इलीगल काम में इन्वॉल्व था। इलीगल काम में इन्वॉल्व था ना सर? क्योंकि उसको तो रिपोर्ट फाइल करनी चाहिए थी कोर्ट में। और इलीगल काम को हाईलाइट करना आपके हिसाब से बहुत बड़ा अपराध है।
Personally inquired, sir.
Forget about that. Answer your words which you have used yesterday and today. If your IO was sitting over the matter, according to you, asking for a reply from the SP is a grievance of the court. Justify now.
Sir, apology for the.
I am not going to accept your apology. कानून अब आपको समझ में आ गया? उसके बाद भी आप ईगोइस्टिक एटीट्यूड में खड़े हैं, जवाब पेश कर रहे हैं कि ऑन द प्रिटेक्स्ट ऑफ नॉन फाइलिंग आई हैव इश्यूड दी नोटिसेस। आपने किसी भी आर्मी की वर्दी धारक व्यक्ति को सर झुका के खड़े हुए देखा है कभी? आदमी उस वर्दी के लिए जान दे देता है और आप सर झुका रहे हो बार बार। आपने किसी आर्मी पर्सनल को देखा है कि वर्दी पहनने के बाद वो सर झुका देता है? वो जान दे देता है, एग्जैक्टली जान दे देता है, कोई मुहावरा नहीं कह रहा हूँ। और किसके लिए जान देता है? देशवासियों के लिए। वर्दी वो होती है सर